Well. We're all back once again. It's a beautiful start to this new week, a Monday of new opportunities. Bitcoin actually moving during all hours of the day. Now, this is beautiful. There's opportunity all fucking hours. We do see hourly Stokes pointing back up, and these actually have been pretty fucking good at getting price action for like the last 3-4 months. Maybe not 3-4 months, but the last 2 or 3 months, I would say. And I do think that we do make another move up and test about 7850 to 7900 before getting any more pressure onto the downside, if we do have more pressure onto the downside. And of course, I wouldn't even be targeting a move to the downside until 7600 breaks. Fair enough to me. I'm sure someone out there is going to be like, the fuck, man? You got that one wrong. It's like, it's not going to be perfect, man. I'm not a perfect trader. You know, people are going to be calling this a double top. I mean, obviously, you know, when you look at this on a lower time frame, I think it's a little bit too early to call it something like that. I think what's more appropriate to say is it is consolidation first and foremost. You know, you run with the former trend until the end of that trend, and then if we get a change in behavior, then we can start calling it perhaps a reversal. But that, in my opinion, is not really even up for discussion as long as we're above about 6,900, I believe it is. And as you can see right here, we've actually just come back down, taking a little bit of a stabby stab at the red 10 symbol, and that's completely fine by me. Holy fucking shit. Wow. 95% down. This is the next Bitcoin. We got great privacy, and John McAfee is supporting us as well. So you know it's good. I told Elsa about John McAfee, and she said he better get those spices ready because he's about to be eating his dick real soon. Real soon. Oh, Tootsie Roll. Hey, all right. These chocolates suck, man. Oh, fucking... What the hell is this, man? Trades OTC? These chocolates are fucking dog shit. They look like little poops too, man. It's like, how did you come up with this little design for a... It goes in the same way that it comes out, I'll tell you that much. And this chart is no different. It's all part of the branding. It all just looks like shit. Beat says, Krown, thanks for all the content. Managed to turn $500 into $5,000 over the last few weeks. Fucking yes, man! I'm an honorable hodler. I hodl no matter what. No matter if we're going down from $400 to $20, I hodl because I deserve this. It's like, there's no honor in hodling. There's no honor in hodling a 90% downtrend. Jeff Lyons says, Bitcoin Ben's friend Joe was wrong about 10,000 Bitcoin. How could that be? Are you telling me that this Bitcoin Ben guy was wrong? It's just a bunch of funny manipulation. He shouldn't have released that video because it's the whales counting trading him. It's like, oh my God. Bearish has, wow, Sweden. Get your shit together, man. Holy fuck, what's happened to Sweden? They're in a black hole breakdown right now. This is all sorts of, this looks like the chart of a shitcoin, man. I give it 4 fucks out of 4. With the side of news. You need 2 newses with that. Now the furries can buy their claws decentralized on the blockchain, baby. 3rd generation. And you know what these furries are going to do with those claws? They're going to scratch each other. Krown is Satoshi. Let's sue them, baby. Type in blue waffle while you're at it. Oh, I know that one, man. I've already looked at blue waffles. My dog is Satoshi. Let's sue him. I fucking hate that dog. Just kidding. Just kidding, man. I love dogs. And of course, Bitcoin taking its second leg down to test this red 10 symbol. Of course, at the same point in time, still getting picked up off it. So realistically speaking, we don't have too much to be aware of. That's new from this morning stream compared to what we're looking at right now from a higher time frame perspective. Everything kind of still follows up from that. The overall genesis of the higher time frame is still just that of consolidation. The range being about 7,200 bottom of the range and about 8,150, 8,200 to the top of the range. CZ, I trust you. CZ, don't fuck me. And CZ, we got new highs, baby. CZ, show me the way. That's actually pretty damn good. Yeah, I do think that this one is on its way. I don't have a price target for this. It's bullish until it's not. And we do see that 4-hour Stokes are snaking around a little bit. But if Bitcoin essentially fails to pick itself back up here, I do feel quite strongly that we will see that move down to about 7,500. And if we do get that move down to 7,500, that's going to have like a domino of effect because not only would I be looking for that trade, but I'd also be based off the higher time frames, based off the 12-hour and the daily, looking for a trade back down around the 73 to 7,200, 200-ish level. So the whole domino effect in mind right now. Of course, until that actually happens, I would not front run this decision just because we are seeing bifurcation within this market right now. We do see Mr. Buterol doing some things that, I would consider look a lot more constructive. Mr. Bitcoin, in its essence, I would still say is overall constructive, but do not discount a move back down to about 7,150, 7,200-ish area. Hey, what's up, Brian? Any news? Bitcoin's never more! Going below 6,000. It's like, what the fuck? Kaz Beats says, if you want to enter deep inside, join the Cave Discord and say, hey, Powerful Krown. No, say, hey, Powerful Kaz, man. On Hit BTC, so you know it's fucking great, man. And holy shit, how the fuck do you trade something like this? I give it 3 fucks out of 3. No, out of 5. It doesn't get any news. Because you know what? This is garbage. Can you take a look at LASIK? Of course you can't. You are blind. Can we look at blue balls? Oh, you motherfucker. Is this a real thing? Swanee, are you trolling me? God damn it. Nice, powerful looking dildo. Holy moly, Bitcoin. Give that nice, powerful dildo. And again, there you go. And you just saw it right there in front of your face. The historical volatility percentile telling you the move is coming and then using the tentacles to give you a direction on top of that. Beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Did we check out NMC? Nicholas Martin's here, and today is May 22nd of 2019. Wow, so... Mom! Why isn't it rain? You lazy bitch. Where's my chicken tendies? I have 5 good boy points. I love you, Mom. Dad, Krown's talking shit again. We have to stop him. I fucking hate that guy. He says I like dildos. Bitcoin giving it back. But it's still. I still think that this hourly's gonna have a decent close as long as we close anywhere above about 79.20 on the hourly. I think it's fine. Or was it Poly BTC? It's Poly wants a fucking cracker. Poly wants a. What was that line in Scary Movie?
Polly want a cracker?
Polly wants your mama's sweet ass.
You don't be talking about my mama, son. You don't know my mama, son.
I know your mama. I fucked her last night.
That someone said, I'm here for Krown's self-inflicted waterboarding. And to actually break below this area right over here, below about, let's call it about 70. Let's be a little bit conservative and call it 7,100. Then yes, I would be looking for this move down to about 63, 64, and likely lower. And if we do break up to the upside, like I said, about 6,250 to 6,200 on a higher time frame, then yes, I will be looking for that move higher. Until that happens, just a game of support and resistance in the middle of this range, quite literally right in the middle of it, just like good old Malcolm. And I do believe that we're gearing up for a run, probably back up to test 7,800-ish level. Now, here's the thing: if Bitcoin actually does take out 7,800, we will come back up and test 8050-ish area, maybe even 8100, somewhere in this region right here. And we've seen this so many times where you have a very aggressive move to the downside and then no follow through. Great sign already. Bad. Man, what a garbage chart. Whoever invented the telephone must have been high on cocaine. Who the fuck was like, I want to talk to someone who isn't even here? Come on, man. No one's scared of Tone. Superman looks like a big, formidable guy. I think you'd look at Tone and just be like, hey, my fucking cat hits harder than you. You hear that? You hear that, Millie? You hear that, Millie? You hit harder than Tone. You little pussy. Like my videos! Fuck! Those bastards. Old dudes need bones too. How else are they going to supply all the tickets to EDC for the young girls out there in the world? Who else? How else are these girls going to get pictures on Instagram on boats in the summer? They need this blue pill. Otherwise, no one's getting their dick sucked. God damn. Brian Kelly says, I bought XRP at $3 and told the public to sell at 126. Ha ha ha. Oh, wait, hey, Brian Kelly from CNBC? Brian, is that you? Wait, Brian, you got to tell me. Brian, can you tell me, what was this about, man? What was all this about? 3 rules for trading. This is fucking classic. 3 rules for trading crypto. Don't sell too soon. Hashtag hodl. Don't panic when coin drops 50%. Wrecked. What the fuck? He's on national television telling people to hodl 50% drop downs. Are you fucking kidding me? This guy is trusted on CNBC, a very highly esteemed financial channel. And and people go to him for information. And he's saying crypto is a crazy game, but here's what you got to do if you want to be successful: hodl. He's saying this before December 2017. By the way, teaching people to fucking hodl 50% drop downs. What the fuck did I just hear? Jesus Christ, man. Alrighty, Bitcoin moving, yay. Yeah, man, Bitcoin looks like it wants to move right now. I'm going to be signing off, however, but I do think that this move probably does take us towards that next resistance, somewhere up into the next echelon of this. I'd say next resistance is going to be right here, right around about 8150-ish area, and then above there, I do think that we have a run towards 8250, 8300-ish area. Overall, all medium to high time frames are bullish right now. I would be bullish for an actual breakout anywhere above 8250 on a higher time frame close, 10-hour, 12-hour daily minimum. If we close above there, then yes, I do think that we take a next leg up towards the next target that we spoke about earlier. But for right now, that's what I'd be saying. I'd only be looking for a little bit of downside. If we did break back down below about 7,900, then I'd be looking for a move all the way back down here towards 76. And for now, I think that's less likely to happen. So with all that said, I want to wish everyone a happy Friday. I want to wish everyone a profitable Friday, and want to wish everyone a good weekend. If I don't see you until next week. So again, guys, it's been an absolute pleasure, and I'll be back on tomorrow with some more video action. And for now, got to get going. So take care and see you soon.